Hey Boy Scouts! So today I will be teaching you how to make puso. So this one. Okay, so as a Boy Scout, it is very important for us to know how to make this. So due for the reasons that we do camping. So here, so you need to have a coconut leaves. Okay, so let's get started in the tutorial. So hold it like this. Okay, go up, up. Okay, then this one you hold it like this. Okay, so you follow, insert it here, and this one at the back, insert it here. Okay, can you see that? Okay, then up here, going up, up, down, down. Okay, so up. This one, the other one, insert it here. Okay, here. Okay, so follow this one here. Okay, that's it. Okay, then hold this like this. Then going up again. We're going up. Insert it. Okay, to the top. Okay, so let's proceed to the other end. Okay, this one, insert it here. Ipasok mo lang, man. Then, yan. Yung ano niya, the bottom part, okay, insert it here. Make sure it is closed. So it fits perfectly. So we're going to finish it. Insert it going to the top. Okay, so here is our puso now. So after that, just tighten the what do we call this? Just tighten your puso so that your rice grains will not no yun. Para hindi lumusot yung rice grains niyo. Okay? So ayan. Tighten it. Higpitan nyo lang. Mga Boy Scouts. Boy Scout tayo eh. Boy Scout tayo. So, pag Boy Scout, very talented. Here. Okay, so here is our puso now. If you are going to put grains in here, okay, level it in this part. In this. Okay? So, that's it. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to click subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share. Thank you.